Today I'm in my shop and I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble one of these drawer slides and install some handles. So I've been having trouble cutting a straight line, so I got me a new saw equipped with a laser. So my cuts have improved greatly. Here's the base of the drawer. Determine the width you'd like. Then use the 1x to determine the depth of the bottom drawer and the top drawer. So I want the smooth side facing inward. So the top drawer I'd like to be 7 inches, and then the base will be a little over 6. So it's ready to be assembled. Each side will come up this way. Put a bead of glue on both. These will be supports on the top. They're as wide as the drawer base. And a clamp to assist. Using this as a solid backing. Smooth side up. Then install your brace all the way to the bottom of the drawer, and it will pull in, acting like an equilibrium. Then a clamp so I can spin it around and put the brace in the back. This is no picnic. There's got to be a better way. Yeah. So it fell apart when I moved it. That's to be expected. Nice. Then a row of staples. So let me install a handle, show you those ideas. So here in the front will be for heavier items, for tongue weight. So I went with heavier drawer slides. This is 7/16 OSB board. And I figured since this is thicker, glue and a screw on both sides hopefully will be sufficient where this doesn't rip out. So for the drawer in the back, because it's 1/4 inch thick, I took another piece of 1/4, drilled a hole through it that will fit the handle, and I'm going to glue these to both sides so the handle fits through here, and then I get a screw on this side. And I've already got the depth determined by the height of the boards with the hole. We'll just sandwich that together and put a screw in it. Nice! Whoa! Look what that did! Maybe I need to go the other way. Ah, they're too long. So this idea here is to give it added support. We'll be able to handle some heavy abuse. Like if you had real heavy stuff in here, it's not going to rip out. All right, let me put the whole front together and show you what I've got. This drawer has a notch in it, which goes around that post underneath. Then underneath here is the little giant. Few items for a mock-up. Got a little snug. Over here I got a gorilla. Whoa! Got me a 6-foot ladder right here. And I can hang something underneath if I'd like. And since this drawer moved, I'd like to point out the wall's not here yet. The wall will be here. There'll be a support here for that drawer. In here I've made a compartment for garden tools. Got a broom. This is for shingles, removing shingles. Dustpan, blower, spade, debris shovel, rake, and then I've got these Stanley sawhorses, and I built a slide right here. That's it, hits the wall. So you can pull this one and reach this one. This area here is this deep for larger items. This right here, now that's a cup of coffee. So when the walls are in, I'm going to have 2 big double doors right here for access here. 2 double doors in the back, you've seen in the previous video. And the entire trailer is going to be a foot higher than this. So I could actually have this storage foot higher if I want. I'm not sure what I'm doing. This project changes as I work on it. You come up with ideas, you sit down, you think about it. Hey, let's try this or that. Where you got friends and family come over and they give you ideas. And I had a family member give me this idea right here. I'm like, check you out. He says you can hang things in there. I'm like, I'd like to clarify, on the last video I talked about table slides. Here's your black folding table. And they sit right there. Of course my clamps are in the way. Then you got your wall here, so you got 3 tables. And you pull it out the back and get a table as you need it. Now we'll look at the stability of the drawers, how far you can slide them out. Whoa! That one's a little short, so Well, if I get it back in there, there's your limit. Just a little over a 6-foot drawer. Okay, I mean, you can reach all the way to the back of the drawer. Now a drawer like this, if you wanted to, if you had it all organized, you could work right out of the trailer or just carry it in to the work project. Set it up on a table. Well, the front's doesn't have a, even without support on this side, one side holds it. This drawer holds this drawer. There you go, all the way to the back. So I've made a discovery here in the back. This is a 24-foot extension ladder, which when it's collapsed is 12 feet. And it's a slides out the back. So that gives me a 12-foot lumber rack right here. But if I reconfigure some of my stuff and only come to here with a product, I can extend my trailers a little over 15 feet. So you could have a 15-foot lumber in here. And now I kind of wished I would have made the trailer 16 feet, because it's difficult carrying a 16-foot 2x4 in your truck. But I might be able to do it up top. If you go from corner to corner, on the very top, you can go from the back of the trailer all the way to here. You might get a 16-footer in there. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll throw up some walls, frame out a roof, get some plywood on there, and then do the rubber roofing.